lovelies, this is Ada's Delicacies. Welcome to my kitchen. How are you all? And today, what have we got on the menu? We've got bitter leaf soup. Even though it sounds bitter leaf, it is usually not bitter. It's usually very, very delicious. So with the bitter leaf soup today, it's also called ofu onugbu in Igbo language. So I've got a few ingredients I'm going to be showing you to get us started with the bitter leaf soup. Yeah, so first and foremost, we got bitter leaf. Have you ever look? Yeah. So with this bitter leaf, we've washed it and it's been squeezed, so the bitter taste is already out. Yeah. I've got beef and tripe as well. That's the tripe. It's called shaki. That's the tripe there. I've got beef, dried fish as well. That's the dried fish there. I've got habanero pepper. You can use as required. Then I have stocked fish and dried catfish. Salt to taste. Maggi. It's Maggi not cube I'm using, but I'm gonna be using one. I've got blended crayfish. Then I've got what we call ogiri. Ogiri. So this is the way the ogiri looks like. I'll just open it for you so you can have a look. I got it from the local shop. It's usually very good. So what I did is I saved it in the freezer. So it's been there for quite a while. So that's what the ogiri looks like. Can you have a look here? And then I have the cocoyam. I'm going to be using cocoyam today as a thickener. So some people can use achi, some people use oats. I've seen a video where somebody used oats in making bitter leaf soup. So I'm going to be using cocoyam today. So this will be boiled and it will be mashed. So I'll show you how this goes. And yeah, the final thing, sorry, I've got palm oil. I'll be adding palm oil there as well. You can use ofaku. You can use palm nuts in making it, but I'll be using palm oil today. I don't want to be too stressed with the ofaku mix. So let's get started, guys. So guys, what I've done first and foremost is I'm boiling the cocoyam. So I boil it like yam. So I just wanted it to get really, really soft so I can pound it or I can blend it so it becomes really pasty. So we'll give the cocoyam 20 minutes. And while that is boiling as well, the tripe also is on the fire. I'm trying to soften that as well to add to the beef. So I'll see you soon. So guys, let's start cooking. So I've added stocked fish, onions, Maggi, and water and the tripe in the pot to get cooked. So we'll be cooking this for about 15 minutes. So guys, while that is boiling, let's just check our food. So what we do is we'll add the mashed cocoyam. Them in lumps, yeah. Them in lumps. To boil for about 10 minutes. Yeah. So guys, here is our bitter leaf soup. I've added the cocoyam paste. You can see how nice it's looking. So the final stage is to add our bitter leaf. That's the bitter leaf going in. Yeah, so that's the bitter leaf going in. Stir it, give it a nice stir. You can see with the cocoyam paste, it's made it very thick. You can see the way it looks. It looks really, really thick. Look, so yummy. Let's taste with salt as well. Let's see. So yummy. Very yummy. That's it. So that's your bitter leaf soup all done. So allow to sizzle for about 5 minutes and then it's all done.